Hey everyone, this is your girl Janai Roy, aka Girl Genius in the house. Tonight I want to share with you information about our showcase tool. And I just logged into my back office, and the area that I want to talk about with you tonight is the showcase feature right here. Okay, as you're prospecting and building your business, you're going to want to be able to show people video information about the business or the socks or a testimony or something, right? Well, instead of just sending them a YouTube video, you can come here to your back office, okay? Because with a YouTube video, nothing is tied to your website, and many times people get drug off of the information you were showing them into something else that comes up after, and they never even went and saw your information or followed through. So this will help you somewhat be able to get them the information that they're requesting, and also give you the opportunity to have them actually on your website. Okay, so you come back here to your back office when you want to share with someone, and you want to grab one of these videos. Okay, these are somewhat strategically placed here. You have the demo video. Everyone starts with a demonstration of balance and strength testing, right? This gives a demonstration of that. We'll be doing more of those as the country begins to open up after COVID here. In the vendor events, in the people's homes, in the living rooms, and also at work in the break rooms. Okay, you can do a quick demo test to demonstrate these products and socks to people. You have the welcome video, you have the technology and benefits video, independent testing and credibility, the HPT technology. You have the product overview, some testimony videos, and the two patches, the NeuroVax patch with Dr. Mark, and also the HPT patch with Jay Dhaliwal, who is the founder and CEO, which both of these are really great videos. Please keep in mind that the patches are consumable, which is going to create your most steady and strongest residual income in the company, right? So we have 4 patches. They're working on getting the other videos done, as the last 2 patches were just released in the last month or so. Okay, so watch out for those as well. But here's the thing, guys. You can send someone this video here. You can click on it here. And, well, let me go back, because here you have quick links right here that you can just link this video to your Facebook post, where you can post on your profile, or in a group, or on a business page right here from this link. You have Twitter, you have Pinterest, and you have email. These are your quick links, okay? Or you can come here to where it says view microsite, and all the videos have those buttons. And this will bring you to a microsite where you can find more places, platforms, ways to send that video to people. Messenger, that's a big one, okay? Email it, okay? So there's tons of ways that you can send it. There's over 180, about almost 200 ways that you can send a video, okay, to people. So you might want to get in here and look at some of these platforms, and we might need to join some new platforms, right? Some of this stuff I didn't even know existed. But yeah, so you can send that information any of those ways. Now, what the person is going to see, they're going to see the video, of course, and they're going to already be on your site. As you see here, you has Crush and Fit. That is my brand. They have a Join Now button, and they have a Shop Products button. They can also do a request if they fill out this form here, and you'll get notified that your prospect wants more information. So this is the showcase video tab tool that I suggest everyone uses to prospect and showcase our business. Very professionally done, and it pretty much has almost everything back here you need. Only thing I would add would be the opportunity video, but I've got something in place for that. I'll share with you in the group about that. But yep. So micro sites, quick links, video information, all right here at your fingertips in the showcase area of your back office. Okay? Use it to your advantage, guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. Bye-bye.